Oh yeah, sexy biscuits. Nice.
Long was 1975. A YouTuber on the rise, reviewing games late at night and sometimes friends. But Long Boys Bros 1975.
This is Tiny Dungeons on the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. It's a 128K game and it's homebrew. It was released this year in February and it's made by RetroSouls. You'll probably realise that when you see their very unique graphical style of the game. Anyway, an evil necromancer holds the land of Twilight in fear. 3 brave heroes set out into the ancient dungeons to put an end to his evil deeds. Press fire to continue. So we'll press fire. So it's a grinder, basically. It's a grinder. It's got lovely 128K music. Now you have 3 characters. Whether you have them from the start of the game, I do not know. I have not played this. I saw it on the Spectrum show. But you have Z, X and C to switch heroes, and then you press space to enter magic mode, and that's pretty much it. So let's jump in and let's wing it. The controls, I believe, are keys to champions. Q up, A down, O left, P right, and obviously space is magic. Shame should be M, because then it would be keys to champions, and also M for magic. I know. Right, space. There we go. Tiny Dungeons. Press fire to start. I'll put a link in the doohickey down below where you can download it should you so wish to. And it's one of those name your price things. You can have it for free for cheap, or you can name your price. So support these homebrew guys, because it's just cool that we get new Spectrum games, you know, 40 odd years after it came out. Right, fire. Right, so abandoned prison. So bottom left hand corner, that's me, Z, X and C. They do nothing, so we don't have any characters. Bottom right hand corner we have keys. At the top of the screen, to the left we have heart, which I'm assuming is my health, 12 out of 16, and then we have shield. So I don't know, is that strength or durability? Again, I don't know. And then we have a potion to the right of that. So you can see from the graphic style, you know, it's very RetroSouls. Scrolling's a little squiffy. Look at the little animated scroll though. Right, what is that? What is that up? Welcome, Wanderer. Read the scrolls to get hints. Good luck. Nothing, apparently. And then we press space and we are out of it. There is an enemy up. Oh, hang on, what's that? That's because we picked up a scroll. Did it do anything? I don't know if it did anything. Right. Oh, hello. Right. If you keep moving, he keeps moving. Or the mighty hero will easily break down the old rusty grate doors, I should say. I gotta be honest, I didn't play many dungeon crawlers back in the day. Right, I've broken down the old rusty grate door, but I did nothing. Much like these goggles that do nothing. Right, so space, magic mode. Right, magic mode, directions, shoot, far, exit. No, directions to shoot, far to exit. So what? Up, down, left, right, and fire. Right. Oh, space again. Magic mode, directions, right. So yeah, you have to go into magic mode. So it's a bit more than just an arcadey sort of experience. But it's not super deep. It's not like Dungeons and Dragons and shit, is it? Space. Right, hang on. No, fire. What did that leave me? Look at the grass and shit. It left me with nothing. Right, potion, 1 of 3. So that would be my magic. My health is still the same. Right, so we've got what? Rescue people? How do I get more magic? Another scroll. And the animation's superb. There's no time. Access to magic mode, use fire. Right, okay, I got that. Okay, so that literally is a tip. Bloody obvious one. Right, run! Right. Okay, what's that? That's a chest. Did it do anything? Apparently not. But so it's random. Dungeon crawler, I guess. Random, right. So our hearts are now 14 of 16. Can we go anywhere? Can we break this door down? No, apparently. And we got magic, so I'm going to shoot one of you. Magic mode. And it did nothing. Well, it didn't. Oh, magic mode. Not enough mana. So yeah, the potion is definitely your magic energy. Your mana, if you will. Okay, I get it. It is lovely graphics. The scrolling's going to wig me out a little bit. Okay, I can kick that one down. So does that mean certain doors have certain levels of strength? So don't just leg it. Creep. Right, 16 of 16. Run! Fuck it. I've still got no potions. I'm taking loads of damage here. I've got 2 shots. And there's 2 enemies. Well, I'm fucked, aren't I? Well, that's... I don't know, what's it doing there? I'm grinding, but what exactly am I grinding? Fuck it. Hey! Doesn't take long to kick you in the nuts! Is that... I thought it was going to be my mate. It's not. What did it do? Nothing. My shield, that's literally my defense then. You can switch heroes with ZX hotkeys. Right, press fire to resume. Well, I have that. And then... Hello! I'm someone else. And I got sick. Ah ha ha! I don't know why I'm Alan Partridge. Right, fire. Fire again. Okay, this is cool. I'm imagining this is not everyone's cup of tea. Right, that's it. So I've rescued one person, so I can now change from, I guess, the warrior into an elf. And then there's a wizard. I'm basing this purely on the stereotypes of how they look. Right, well, I'm going to have to shoot them, aren't I? I'm not really feeling any sort of benefits to shooting these people. I'm not going to lie. Do I have extra strength? Can I barge in said door? I don't know. No, apparently. Can I shoot said door? Fuck it. No. Bollocks! And other words to that effect. Well, I've just been down here, haven't I? Right, well, well, I don't know. Hang on. Right, so he's got 5 of 10. Surely that should make him, like, manly and shit. Break the door down, you pussy. No. Aha! I know the way, follow me. Well, I'm fucked. What do I do? Did I miss something in Char? I can't see that I did. So what do I do? So what is it? Our key. How did I miss that the first time around? And where's the bird this feather came from? Well, this is the problem though, isn't it? You can't avoid them. I've got to keep an eye on my health though, haven't I? Right, so I've got keys. Does that mean I can go through any door or just this door? It's a bit stingy with stuff. Yay! Right, find the button that activates the hidden passage in the central room. That would be easier to understand if you put it as one word. Just saying. Hey! Right, hang on. So, see. I'm a wizard. I got 9. Oh, he's got some magic shit going on. Right, find the, Oh no! I thought it was in the clear. What did that do? That did something, didn't it? Shit, did I open the passage? It's a bit too stingy with the magic for my liking. This is the main room. Wait, what? No! This is balls odd. You're gonna have to, oh, fuck off. Right, I got one. Right, so, ooh, I'm out. I'm out. My clip is empty. This is too hard. I like what they've done here, but this is too hard. Right, where's my... I got 14 of 16. Why didn't you just give me a sword? Do you know what I mean? Right, so is this level 1 then? Right, so that's my protection up then. So I got, you know, I'm packing heat again. Yep. Oh, look at me. I should have done it to the wizard because the wizard has higher firepower. Okay, stage clear. I don't know what I looked on. I could have missed that if I wasn't paying attention. If I was paying attention, because I wasn't paying attention, that's how I hit it. Right. Styx Lake. I don't know why he so emphasised it like that. Right. Run. Oh, it's a fucking... I thought it was a bad guy. It's a bloody scroll. Right. Stand on magic mark to activate portal. Oh, there's a... I'm pressing the wrong button because the light's off in my room. That's the magic mark up there. It's like Magic Mike. God, he definitely, like, he packs some shiz, doesn't he? Wait, did they fire? I got one shot, and he's a pussy. Did you take... What? He's still alive. Portal. Okay. Scrolly shit it is then. Okay, so they've done some stuff. Save states, people. I'm telling you, save states are in order here. Oh, I should have given it to the wizard. Can I go in that door? You do just kill him. It does take your health, obviously, right? 8. But you can just kill him by running into him, it would appear. Right. I'm not sure why I said that like Dr. Evil. We go back to the beginning, we got another warp gate, haven't we? I know it's not a warp gate, but fuck it. Wait, what did... Got 2 of 16. There we go. Where are we going? What's my health? 8. I don't know, I got around him. He's dead. Look at this guy with his magic and shit. Right, we're back to the start, are we? So there should be... Yeah. We're missing something then, because this is just going to take me back up there, isn't it? So either a door, or there's another warp gate. Look for a door, people. No! Right, you got to remember... Is he dead? That... Basically, every time you got something, you see something, like, you know, potion-wise, give it to the wizard. He's the shizzle. Everyone else is a cat-handed buffoon. I didn't like that. I couldn't get him to come in front of me. 5. Is he dead? He's dead. Everybody's dead, Dave. What, everybody? Everybody's dead, Dave. Oh, look, you can go behind the lights. I like that. Right, so we've been in there. Yeah, look at me with my magic torching like mofos. Right, so where have I missed? What have I forgotten? Where haven't I been? And stuff. There. Oh, hello. Exit is sealed with the dark seal of the Ents. Defeat them to open it. So, the exit is not technically sealed. It's just blocked by 2 Ents. What, you mean like Treebeard? Stage failed. Hello? Sticks late. Holy shit. Oh no! Oh, denied. Stand on magic mark. Okay. No! Hang on. Oh. Right. And then you do... Well, your weedy ass character, though, won't destroy him with 1 shot, will he? I'm guessing I didn't carry over any of my shit, did I? I quite like this. There is a charm to this. I mean, I'm guessing if you like dungeon crawlers, that would help. Run! I'm trying to save my magic for the Ents. But sometimes you just gotta fucking shoot someone. Sometimes you just can't get rid of a bomb. No. Not enough mana. Come on. I had no choice then. You forced my hand. I didn't want to kill you. That's on you, man. Bastard, I'm a pacifist. Seriously. I only kill to eat. So quite a lot then. Was there another? Right, so I got 5. And then I got 4. Then I got 6. Right, there's nothing in these because I've already... Fuck it, let's go and fight. I've already obviously taken advice from them, scrolls from them, stuff from them. You're an absolute pussy, do you know that? Oh, I can't change characters quickly enough. It's an interesting one. It's not that arcadey, because obviously it's a dungeon crawler, but yeah, I'll put a link to it in the doohickey down below where you can download it, but yeah, Tiny Dungeons on the Sinclair ZX Spectrum 2022 Homebrew. And as always, I'd love to know what you think, especially if you played this. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.